Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have local administrator rights and the Apex One console credentials. This is crucial because permission errors stop removal. Once done, isolate the machine from the network to prevent policy pushes. Next, export any agent configuration and record the console ID so you can rejoin later if needed. Now open services and stop the Trend Micro Apex One or Office scan services before you attempt removal. This prevents file locks and ensures cleaner uninstallation. You now run the official uninstaller or use mseek with the product GUID to start removal. This removes core binaries and drivers. While it runs, make sure all Apex One services are stopped and scheduled tasks are deleted so nothing relaunches. After the uninstaller completes, manually delete leftover program folders and run regedit to remove Apex One registry keys under HKLM software and current control set. This clears driver and startup entries. Finally, reboot to complete driver unload. Do not skip the restart. You finish by rebooting the machine at least once, then verify no Apex One services, drivers, or processes remain. Check services, task manager, and device drivers. If remnants persist, use the vendor cleanup utility or perform a clean OS install as a last resort, because corrupted drivers can block GUI removal. If something goes wrong, gather setup logs, Windows Event Viewer entries, and system info, then escalate to support. Make sure to document steps you took, so reinstallation or audit is straightforward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.